Today on DelftStack, I will show you how to fix the Windows 7 update error. The first thing you should do is run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This tool is built into Windows 7, and it can automatically find and repair common update problems. Open the Start menu, type Troubleshooting, open it, then select Fix Problems with Windows Update. Let the tool scan your system and apply any fixes it finds. After that, try checking for updates again. If the error continues, the next step is to restart the Windows Update service. This service controls how updates are downloaded and installed. To restart it, open the Start menu and type Services. Open the Services window, scroll down until you find Windows Update, right-click it, and choose Restart. Once the service restarts, try running Windows Update again. If that does not help, your antivirus program might be blocking the update. Sometimes antivirus tools can stop Windows from connecting to the update servers. You can temporarily disable your antivirus and then try updating again. Follow these steps one by one, and your Windows 7 update error code should be fixed. Thank you for watching.